Understanding cybersecurity basics. Let's start with the fundamentals. What exactly is cybersecurity? At its core, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These attacks are often aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users, or interrupting normal business processes. Now, why is cybersecurity so crucial? Think about it this way. Nearly every aspect of our lives is connected to the internet. We shop, communicate, work, and even bank online. This interconnectedness is convenient, but it also opens up opportunities for cyber criminals to exploit vulnerabilities. Without adequate protection, anyone's personal or professional information can be at risk. A key part of understanding cybersecurity is recognizing its three main goals, often called the CIA Triad. That's confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality ensures that information is accessible only to those authorized to see it. Integrity means that the data stays accurate and reliable without unauthorized changes. And availability ensures that authorized users can access the information when needed. Together, these three principles help form the foundation of effective cybersecurity. But here's the challenge. As technology advances, so do the methods that cyber criminals use to infiltrate systems. This is why cybersecurity is never static. Professionals in this field are constantly adapting to new threats and developing defenses to protect against them. In the coming sections, we'll look at some of these threats in detail and explore practical ways you can protect yourself online. Thanks for joining us today. Folks, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.